shit, look. Man. Oh shit.
This doesn't have iron sights.
Why y'all not? Why did y'all take A? Oh shit! There's a guy at A. He's inside the fucking underneath the dome. Shit. He's no longer underneath the dome. He's 6 feet deep.
Bitch.
Can you stab?
Oh shit!
Scopes, bro.
Of course, I turned the corner. There was 2 guys waiting for me. Man, where the fuck did you get shot from? Oh. Son of a bitch.
Something looks horribly wrong with my suppressor.
Is it a box?
No, it looks like an empty beer can.
Well, it's short and stubby.
Never seen that.
What are you using? That's unfortunate. This dude literally spawned right in my sight. No.
Shit. I just got in. Let's go then. Oh shit. Up top, up top, up top.
Oh, yep, he's still up there.
You still up there? He down, he down, he down. Somebody got him.
Oh shit! They're basically all at sea because they keep spawning over there.
Yeah, I'm fucking them up over here.
Ooh, there's one on the right of this tank. Just went to be. One more at Bravo. kill me.
There, Bravo, go.
Yep. How the fuck? There's no way that combo only killed me.
Push Bravo.
Yeah, there's two in there. Or potentially one. I think I got one.
Oh, somebody in.
I'm moving towards Alpha. Okay, you already on it. Damn it.
Yeah, that's just good.
Somebody come down there to see. From doorway.
Finish taking B. Damn. Ah, shit, someone's going to be.
Push Bravo with me, somebody. Man, Bravo.
Good kill.
Move on A. There's no one there right now. Oh, disregard. The guy just spawned on me. There's two guys at A now. One. Oh, shit!
This game's kind of janky sometimes. It's some sort of like fucked up lag. I don't know.
Bravo cap.
I mean, I just upgraded.
No.
Why are they
Good
fucking bomb like that?
What is the fucking kill time with this fucking gun? Looks like I need to hit somebody fucking 10 times to kill them. Should have an ACOG on it.
What the fuck? Some dude with a full auto Glock is. Like, it does as much damage as my fucking gang.
Catch your ass. Two of them coming towards the back door B.
We
Hello.
were doing great. I didn't think we was about to lose.
Is français?
No, I don't really.